You understand? So you're not going, you just because you don't understand these things and you didn't look into these things does not mean that no, you're just mad because you're from the church. And because you're from the church, you have things that are programmed into you that you can't get past. You know why they're programmed into you? Because you went to a place that's built on frequencies and vibrations, right? The church is a building of semantics. Okay, it's semantic frequencies. You understand? And so when you go inside the church, what you're doing by going to the churches that are old school churches that have the different color, right? The different colors, right? This is why you need to learn about yourself and your frequencies and your vibrations and how the world works, okay? Because the different colors that are in the stained glass windows alter the semantic frequencies. These are your vowels. These are the frequencies of your DNA. If you notice, they resemble your stained glass windows. These are the letters that are produced off of the keys on the pianos. If you notice, they also represent your stained glass windows because your stained glass windows are created out of semantics. These windows change the frequency of the light that passes through them, giving you a variance of different genetic codings that go through these buildings. You understand? And so by doing so, when you're going into a church, what you're actually doing is having your DNA altered by the man that stands on the altar. Now, the difference between the church now versus what it used to be is the church used to be a healing place.